Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make free USDT from this crypto airdrop. So this video I'm going to show you exactly how to maximize your earning and how to make up to 900 USDT from this airdrop. So if you are into crypto mining, airdrops or passive income opportunities, this video is for you. Stick around because I'll show you how to earn even more with referrals and tasks. So let's get started. So firstly, you need to download the wallet. You need to find the link in the description below. If you want a quick overview, you can also check out the briefing available on their site, which is over here. Once you download it, install it and open it. You understand? So you can either use the Play Store or the direct download, or use the App Store or the test flight. So either of these two, you can use either of these four options depending on either you're using Android or iOS. So just click on it and download, and that's basically it for the download. So when you've downloaded, just install it and launch it. When you've launched it, next you have to create your wallet. This is crucial. Make sure to save your mnemonic phrase somewhere. This is crucial because you have to save your mnemonic phrase somewhere because you might lose it, and I would recommend you write it down and keep it offline for security reasons. So I'll show you guys when we get there. So first of all, you set up your pin code. You just set pin code that you would always remember also, so you don't want to forget your pin code. So I'll just impute the last digit. So they'll ask you to confirm it, so just impute that pin code again. So as you can see, this is where you create your mnemonic phrase, and this phrase is what you use to log in your wallet whenever you want. Do you understand? If you lose this, you're going to lose access to your wallet forever, so you don't want to lose this. Do you understand me? So read all of this and then check all the options when you've read it to make sure you understand the importance of this phrase. Do you understand? So sure, check all of them and then generate your mnemonic phrase. So over here, this is where my mnemonic phrase is. So I'm going to be saving it. I'll copy it down and then I'll write it down on a piece of paper and I'll keep it somewhere for security reasons. You don't want to save your phrase on your phone because maybe you might lose your phone and then somebody will have access to your wallet. Do you understand? So make sure it's offline. You save it offline and hide it somewhere. Do you understand? So you want to make sure you pen down the numbers of the words so you know what exactly you're working with. Do you understand? So they'll be asking you to fill in maybe 3 or more words of your phrase to make sure you understood it and you saved it. Do you understand? So I'm going to fill out mine now and you'll get the same thing from yours too. So you just click on next, and as you can see, your wallet has been created. Do you understand? So this is basically what you need to do to create your wallet. It's as easy as I have demonstrated it. Do you understand? So once you're logged in, it's time to claim the free airdrop. So first of all, you need to go over here, the invite. You can see it over here. Just click on it and you'll be asked the invitation code. So the invitation code of whoever invited you. So I'll be leaving my invitation code in the description box. All you need to do is copy it and come over here and paste it. Do you understand? Over this section, just come over here and then paste it. So it's as easy as that. So now that I've pasted it, I'll just click on submit, and that's basically it. So once you've done this, you go back to your wallet, and as you can see, they've credited you with 3,000 Satu, which is the token of this airdrop, and it is worth $900. Do you understand? So we'll make more of this token, we'll earn more of this token, and then wait for them to list it. And this is basically all you need to do. Do you understand? So once you've done this, another way to claim more Satu is by completing task. And the way you see the task is over here at the P2P. Just click on it. And as you can see the tax, and then you can see the rewards also. So join groups and channel. When you join this channel, you're going to be getting 1,000 worth of Satu. You understand? And when you follow their Twitter, you're going to be getting 1,000. So complete all of these tasks, and then you watch your Satu be credited to your wallet, and then wait for them to list. So click on the Twitter, join. So as you can see, follow on Twitter, follow us on Twitter. You just click on it, follow them on Twitter, and then you also retweet their post. This, you can see the link over here. When you've done all of this, you just screenshot it and then upload the proof here, and your Satu will be credited to you in less than 24 hours. Do you understand? So I'm going to do mine now. You just click on start interaction, and as you can see, I'm already following them. Once you've done this, you just click on screenshot, just screenshot it, and then you go back and also go to the, you can see the post here. So I'll just like and I'll retweet. Now that you've retweeted, all you need to do is also screenshot it, take a screenshot of it. Or so when you've taken screenshot of them, all you need to do is come down here and click to upload it. So once you've selected this, when you've uploaded the screenshot or to prove that you've done these 2 tasks, so just click on validate and you wait for it. As you can see, it's under review. So mind you, there are a limited amount of people that can do this task. So as you can see here, the amount is 50,000 participants, and already there are 29,000 participants that have done this. Do you understand? So you want to be among the first people to do this so that the offer will still be available for you. Do you understand? So now that you've done this and it's under review, we'll go over to the next one, which is to join their Telegram channels. So just click on start interaction. So as you can see, you just joined. When you've joined, you take a screenshot. You go back. You click on join. You click on start interactions for the second one. You click on join. And you take a screenshot also. So now that you've done this, you repeat the same process. You click on upload and select the screenshot and click on validate. So I've uploaded them. You just click on validate. And you can see it's under review. So as you can see, the first one we did, which is the Twitter, I'm already rewarded. You understand? So it doesn't take long for them to review the task. It will take not less than, I think this didn't take up to 2 minutes or 3 minutes. You understand? So let's do the Facebook one, which is the last one for now. And I think there'll be new task by the days. You understand? So do well to check it, maybe weekly or something. So as you can see, they just said share post. You understand? So just click on start interaction, and so as you can see, here's the post. All you need to do is click on share. So you just take a screenshot to show that you've already shared this, and then you go back and then you upload. So as you can see here, I've uploaded it. You just click on validate, and that's basically all you need to do for this task. So as you can see, we've completed the task, and okay, remaining one, they've rewarded me of the last one, which was the Telegram task. So we'll go back to the wallet and see. So as you can see, I have 5,000 Satu right now, which is about, as you can see, the price, the amount over here. So all you need to do is do this, and that's basically it. You're going to be making serious amount of money when this airdrop lists. So don't sleep on this. Do it now, because the longer you take, the more these opportunities, these events won't be available anymore. So do this now and join my Telegram channel to get updates about this airdrop. Do you understand? So here's another way to maximize your earning on this platform. So all you need to do is you share your invitation code. Whenever you give them the link to download, they can find it on the site. Just give them your invitation code. When they impute your invitation code, you'll be getting 3,000 Satu from each referral you make. So don't sleep on this platform. Do well to make money with this opportunity I've shared you guys. And that's it. You just learned how to claim free USDT, earn from referrals, and complete task for extra reward. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on more ways to earn free crypto. Drop a comment if you have any question, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.